The last few days in Athens have been something special. We've wandered colourful back streets, discovered bold street art around every corner, stood in the shadows of ancient landmarks, and soaked up the energy of this city in between. From long market strolls to incredible local food, Athens has surprised us at every turn. Modern, historic, chaotic, creative. What a place. The last few days in Athens have been something special. After a big day exploring Athens street art, we went to bed excited because today is a bucket list day. It's my birthday and it's the last day of our European trip. But there's a problem. I've barely slept. I've been up most of the night feeling sick, and this morning it's taken everything just to get out of the door. We were cutting it dangerously close to our entry time at one of the world's most iconic ancient landmarks. Missing this wasn't an option. With the added hurdle of some rain, we made our way up the hill just in time to make our entry. Standing beneath the ancient stone of the Acropolis of Athens, it's impossible not to feel the weight of history pressing in from every direction. But before we climbed to the summit, our journey began at the remarkable Odeon of Herodes Atticus, a grand stone amphitheatre built nearly 2,000 years ago, still used for performances today. Carved into the southern slope of the Acropolis, it's a powerful reminder that this hill hasn't just witnessed history, it's lived it. Tucked along the southern slope of the Acropolis sits the impressive Stoa of Eumenes, a grand-covered walkway that once connected key performance spaces of ancient Athens. As we started the ascent, the views over Athens stretched endlessly in every direction, and then rising above it all, the unmistakable silhouette of the Parthenon came into view, a structure we've seen in books and on screens our entire lives, but nothing prepares you for standing in front of it for real. And the next minute we're standing at the Parthenon, and in one of those moments that genuinely stops you in your tracks. Even after seeing countless photos, nothing prepares you for the sheer scale, symmetry and the presence of this 2,500-year-old masterpiece towering above Athens. Built in the 5th century BC, during the golden age of ancient Greece, it was dedicated to Athena, the city's patron goddess, and designed to showcase the power, wealth and artistic brilliance of the Athenian Empire. So here we are at the Acropolis with the Parthenon in the background and some other temple that we haven't been to yet. So it's busy, but not as busy as we expected. Would you say?
Yeah, I mean, we booked our tickets online and they talked about jump the queue tickets and all that sort of stuff, but it's nothing like Colosseum or anything like that in terms of queues and people.
No,
it's
I guess
quite easy to get around without.
I guess this is limited a little bit as to who can come up here as well. Like if you're not able-bodied, you wouldn't be able to get up here. There is a lift though.
Yeah.
Over there. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
But I don't think you'd be wanting to be pushing people around here that have mobility issues. It's a bit of a sort of
mess.
It's not a mess. It's just not easy to walk. Yeah. But we're just going to go over to around the edge of right at the top. I'm going to go around the edge and I'll show you what the views of Athens look like from the top of the town. It's been really good, but we had an absolute deluge of rain last night. It's amazing that you can still see the puddles, but we think we actually just saw some, was it snow? You reckon we saw some snow, just a patch of it on the grass, which, I don't know, it might have been hail. It was a pretty bad thunderstorm. It was hail. We had a really bad thunderstorm here last night.
It hasn't been cold enough for
no, we're in t-shirts today. It's weird. Anyway, we'll go around the edge and we'll show you what it looks like from the top. It's pretty spectacular. You can see why the Greeks built this temple at the top of the hill. Wow. Absolutely incredible. There's a view. Oh, there's a lookout point over there, but you can't get to it, so it might be this point here. Actual evidence that it hailed here last night. That's a wild, crazy storm that we had. So outside of the Acropolis now, we've come out and we're walking down the hill on our way to the Acropolis Museum. We'd actually walked down this hill yesterday, and we've just walked past this, which we didn't see yesterday, which is part of the surroundings of the Acropolis that you don't have to pay to go in to see. So we'll just do some more steps because we haven't done enough today already. This is the Acropolis Museum. They reckon it's really great, so I'm hoping it lives up to its hype. Here's some more excavation under the glass. It's all happening.
Over here.
Oh wow.
Visiting the Acropolis Museum feels like stepping into the story behind everything you've just seen on the hill above. Opened in 2009 and built directly over an ancient archaeological site, which you can actually see beneath the glass floors, the museum was designed to reconnect the treasures of the Acropolis with their original context. Inside, it's light, modern and incredibly immersive. Sculptures, friezes and artefacts that once decorated the Parthenon and surrounding temples are displayed at eye level, so you can appreciate the detail up close. Only some aspects of the museum are able to be filmed.
We've just come out from the Acropolis Museum. Not allowed to film very much in there, so I didn't have the camera out. But we are allowed to film underneath where they've got some excavation stuff going on. So I'm just taking a walk through to the bottom. Check this out. I'm not sure. That's not even from excavation. That looks like it's been made up of metal. It's been made up of metal, but it's pretty cool, hey? Let's go. Gosh, so this is directly underneath the actual museum built on top of it. How cool. So, this is houses, residences from the 4th or the beginning of the 5th century AD. So you can see the structures, the drainage system. Wow. The film footage doesn't do this any justice, I know, but just so you can see what it's like, it's very cool. I'm glad we didn't miss it, because it's been well worth this part I've enjoyed. Welcome to our little safe haven out of the chaos of the streets of Athens on a night time. Oh, yes. We're home. Lock out all those noisy vehicles. Look at the old typewriter. Just to show you what you're actually dealing with around here. Although that's clearly a footpath and no care for whether you can drive on it or not. Acropolis being Acropolis. Look at the people at the top of the hill. Whoa. Nice day. So we're just having a last minute walk around. We've got about 4 hours to kill, so we're just having a slow old mosey, giving you a bit of a collage of what's going on around here on a Saturday. Market's up and about. Cafe life. Actually, it's a slow start for people on a Saturday. I think everyone just sleeps until lunchtime. Check this out. Lovely little old church. So the shenanigans at the airport, it's hilarious. The guys just called everyone that's in zone 2 and 3 to go and sit down. So now everyone's come and stood up. It's just ridiculous. Take a look. So all these people apparently are going in first class. I'm going to call BS to that. After a relatively short and uneventful flight, we touched down in Doha, but there was no time to slow down. With our connecting flight departing from the other side of Hamad International Airport, it quickly turned into a race through terminals, escalators and endless corridors just to make the gate in time. Now with boarding called, we're on to the final and much longer leg home. There's plenty of time to ponder the amazing adventure that we've just had. Nearly there. Seeing the coastline of home in Western Australia was pretty special, familiar, rugged and so different to the shores we've explored over the last few months. We've made memories we'll carry forever and we can't wait to share them with family and friends. Stick with us a little longer and we'll show you some of the travel stats that we've been tracking along the way. And to everyone who's watched this Europe series, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. These vlogs were a little different for us, but don't worry, the Troopy Adventures are coming back very soon with some incredible journeys planned for 2026. As always, please continue to like, comment, hype and share our videos as we appreciate you all. See you all very soon in the next one back in Oz. Cheers!